Hi, this is Andy from Fustini School of Cooking. I'm making a chilaquiles, which is a old broken down sombrero. It's this mixture of tortilla chips and sauce that's baked with cheese and then kind of topped with either a salsa or some kind of avocado relish or guacamole. The sauce that I'm using today is going to be a roasted poblano and tomatillo sauce. So it starts with a roasted poblano, which roasts right on the stove. You take it right off the stove, put it in a bowl. I'm going to cover it with film wrap and let that steam a little bit. That also gets garlic and shallot and the tomatillos and the onions. And we'll put all that together and roast it, and we'll come back. Hi, this is Chef Andy again. We're making our roasted poblano and tomatillo sauce for our chilaquiles. I have garlic and onion sauteing in the pan just till they're soft. I'm going to add to that some tomatillos, some roasted poblanos, some scallions, some cilantro, and some lime, a little bit of chicken stock, and I'm going to cook it until everything's soft. Then I'm going to blend it, add a little bit of cream to it, a little heavy cream, and cook it down until it's thickened.
Okay, you're live.
Hi, this is Chef Andy. We're continuing our chilaquiles, our broken down sombrero. I've taken some chicken, cooked it in some oil, and added my roasted poblano and tomatillo salsa with a little bit of cream. I brought it to a boil. Then I'm going to take some corn chips, put those right in there, and stir that all together to coat those corn chips. Kind of break them up a little bit, but coat them in our sauce. Look how beautiful that's going to be. Then we're going to layer our pan between corn chips and chicken and sauce and some manchego cheese. So I'll take this product right here then, maybe add a couple of corn chips to the bottom. Get some cheese, get some chicken there, and a little bit of cheese. And then some more corn chips on top. Make sure we got some chicken in there. A little more cheese. And then the rest of our corn chips. Make sure we get all of our cheese and our corn chips in there. Nice and soupy. And then we're going to take that mixture, finish it with our cheese, and put it in our oven and bake it until it's brown and bubbly. And we'll unmold it and serve it with some avocado, cilantro, and some creme fraiche. All right, this is Chef Andy again. We're going to finish our chilaquiles. We baked it in the oven. It's bubbly and brown. We're going to unmold it on our plate. I'm going to invert my plate. Take that whole pan, invert it over, and then remove it. We've got our broken down sombrero. We're going to garnish that with some avocado and some cilantro. Creme fraiche, and some more of our sauce. Kind of put that around the edge. All those different colors come into play. Chilaquiles from our Fiesta menu, School of Cooking, next quarter.